Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. Today I'm going to train you on how to fix your grammar while speaking with one click. And the tool that we people are going to use, it's going to be a Microsoft tool which I'm going to show you in a short while. Now while speaking, we all know that there are a lot of grammatical errors that sometimes happens. However, correcting these grammatical errors also requires time. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to tell you about a tool which is absolutely free of cost, available with you, which you people can use in order to practice on that. Once you start practicing, you will see that it will also tell you what are the errors that is happening. Along with that, it is also going to give you the suggestions also. So without any delay, let me show you the tool that we people are going to use. So for that, the tool that I'm going to use today in order to tell you how you can fix your grammatical errors while speaking is going to be Microsoft Word. Yes, friends, it's absolutely right that the tool that we people are going to use today is Microsoft Word. But please ensure that you need to have an Office 365 account for that. I'm once again repeating, it's not available on all the MS Office versions. It has to be Office 365. In Office 365, I'm going to tell you one particular option which you people can use effectively and efficiently in order to correct your grammar errors. And I will be giving you a short demo in a while that what all options you people can use in order to go ahead and practice on grammar. So the tool is there in front of you. So people, this is Office 365 MS Word, and the option that I'm going to train you on today is dictate. Can you see this dictate option on which I'm hovering my mouse, which is available on the extreme right hand side over here? So what you have to do is you need to click on this dictate option. So since we are going to practice on grammar while speaking, I will be training you on using this dictate option to record your conversation first and then tell you how you people can go ahead and you will have an overview in front of you that these are the grammatical errors and multiple other options that I will be presenting in a short while. So let's start. So what you people have to do is you need to click on this dictate option. So the moment you will click on the dictate option, automatically in this MS Word, the AI which is present, the voice recording option which is there, that is going to record your conversation and automatically it is going to type. So what is going to happen is, last time when I trained you on fillers, pitch, I trained you on a tool in which your conversation was getting recorded but you were not able to see the content there in front of you. Today, this tool that I'm going to train you, this is to fix your grammar, okay? And here you will also see in front of you what exactly you are saying. Why? Because the moment I'm going to click on this dictate option, whatever you are saying, that is going to be typed in front of you people. So let's start. So this is dictate option. So you can see the moment I click on dictate option, this is the listening tool which is available. And one thing more that I have to tell you people, for making you practice on this tool or in order for you to practice on this tool, you need to have on your computer or on your laptop the microphone option there. So you need to record your conversation and then you people can go ahead and practice on this tool. Okay, so when I will be clicking on this mic, you can see where I'm hovering my mouse. So once I click on this mic option, it will start recording my conversation, plus it will also show me what exactly I'm saying. A lot of time, even if I talk about when I train my students also and I give them a feedback in relation to the grammatical errors, they make small sentences and sometimes they use jargons or a casual language or an informal language as well. That also I'm going to show you how exactly this tool it traces it and how you people can practice out for that. Okay, so in order to practice on this tool, you people need to have your speech ready. So what you can do is either you can use this tool instantaneously, or I would like you to write down your speech somewhere, and then you people can go ahead and start, using this option of dictate. So let's start over. So I'll be clicking on this tool and then I will say a few lines about it. Hello everyone. My name is Poonam and I'm from Cherub Teaching Center. I'm gonna train you on grammar. So let's start. So you can see that the moment I have said something to this tool, it is automatically typing in front of you. So what you people can do is this tool can be very beneficial if you are going for an interview, or you are going for any placement activity, or in case even if I talk about you want to go ahead and speak to a business official as well, or even on daily basis if you want to practice for it. So you can have your piece of speech ready, and then you people can go ahead and use this tool. So now you can see that the moment this tool has whatever I was saying, it was typing it down. However, this tool also has one of the beautiful, effectiveness in where in case if you have said something and it has typed a wrong word altogether, this tool can also, go ahead and correct that option as well. So now you can see that there are a lot of options or the words over here where it is, you can see these lines, these curved lines, and it is telling me that there are certain suggestions for it. So what we can use is, so let me show you another option. So people, in order to use the dictate tool, this thing that you people see in MS Word, what you have to do is, again I'm saying, you have to open Office 365. If you don't have an Office 365 account, it's my humble request that go online and create an Office 365 account, and then you can use this MS Word. So this dictate option you people will be able to see from here. So you need to go to the home option, and then you can go ahead and then you can use the dictate. So now let me tell you how exactly these errors you can trace it. So either you can use it over here only, but just for my comfortability, what I've done is I would be showing you, I have opened another word in front of me. So I would be copying the content over here. Let me just paste it over here. Why? Because then I have to go ahead and I have to look for the errors. So what I would be doing is, the next option that you people have to do is, let me just show you. Let me just bring the screen a little bit down. So you will be going to this review option. Okay people, in this review option, once you people are there, so the next thing that you have to do is, in the review there will be an option of spelling and grammar. Okay, so you can go over here, you can see that there is a proofing option, and then there is an option of spelling and grammar. Okay, so once I go to the review option, see the review tab looks like this people. Review, you will be going to the review, then you can go on the proofing option which is on the extreme left, pull it down and then click on spellings and grammar. Okay, so now you can see people, whatever was my content which is typed on over here, it is automatically showing me that these are the various things. So as cherub, I said cherub, but it has not accidentally recorded my conversation. So these are the various options and the suggestions this tool is giving me. Either that is, you can go ahead and in case if there is a suggestion which is available in front of you, you can utilize it, or else if not, you can go ahead and correct it also. And if I click on this option, see it is saying, so in case of formal writing or formal speech, there are no jargons people, there is no shortcuts, or there are not short forms which are allowed. So you can see the moment I pull out this feedback, it is telling me that whenever you are going to use these words, like for example it's let's, you will say the word let us. Okay, this is how the things are considering. So if I'm saying I am, but it has recorded as I am, that's the reason it is giving me a feedback at this moment that I need to work on this error. It should be I am. So it is giving me a suggestion as well. And then you people can automatically go ahead and you can select it from here. Okay, all right. So you can go ahead from here, you can select it. And in case if the option is not available, what I can do is I can go back and then I would go back, and then I would be making my editing over here. Okay, so these are the various things which is available. Okay, so you can go ahead, you can trace your this tool, you can use it judiciously in order to see or in order to look for your grammatical error. So now it is said that it is, so let's start. So why exactly it has highlighted this thing to me? Because you also know in grammar the punctuation also needs to be taken into consideration. So at this moment when it is giving me a suggestion, it is suggesting me that after so it has to be a comma, which I can go ahead and I can fix it as well. Okay, now a lot of time people, when we are talking, and this feedback is also given to us, if I talk about that, you should not be using the same word again and again. Okay, so rather than using the same word again and again, you need to go for synonym. So what this tool can do is, this tool can also give you an option for synonyms that you people can go ahead and use it. So what you can do is, you need to highlight this and option, and then as you see, you have a thesaurus option over here. Open it up, and it can give you all the synonyms. So this is again one of the beautiful thing of this tool, which you people can use it very very effectively while conversing, while speaking, as there should not be a repetition of the same word again and again. If I need to use my synonym, I can select that options, I can select that word, and then simply on the extreme left hand side, I will go on the top under the review tab. I would be able to see the thesaurus option, which I can go ahead and I can use it. Okay, now it is giving me multiple options, and along with that, it is also telling me in grammar category what exactly this word is. It's a conjunction altogether, so I have been given with various options in front of me, which I can go ahead and I can use it. So this tool, if I talk about, if you have your speech ready, you can go ahead, people, you can record your conversation. Once again, let me just show you that you will be going, this again option is available on Office 365 and Office 365 version of MS Word. You will go to the home option, you will go and dictate, you will record your conversation, and it will also give you, because some people, they are habitual of constructing very very small sentences, so it will also give you that there in front of you, right there in front of you, if there is a full stop after every two words, that means your grammar is not going right. So you can go ahead and you can look at your conversation, what exactly are you speaking. So this tool is going to record your conversation, and it is available in a written format in front of you. This written format, again, you can double check with the help of the grammar tool, which is absolutely available free of cost. This dictate and this grammar tool. So as I've said, for the grammar tool, you will be going on to the review tab like this. Okay, let me just show you once again. You will be going to this review tab, and then you have to go into the proofing. You will be using the spelling and the grammar. The spelling and the grammar option will be used in case if you want to cross check in your content, is my grammar absolutely right or not. So this tool is going to check that thing for you. Okay, so it is going to tell you exactly what are the errors, and it would be making, or it would be giving you suggestions as well. And on the top of that, in proofing, there is another option, people, that you can see, it is thesaurus. So thesaurus, you people can use it, which is like an online dictionary. You can use it, and you can use the synonyms also if there is a repetition of the same word again and again in your entire content. So I have actually highlighted at this moment both the options, the spelling and the grammar, and along with that. So these are the various options which are available, people. And sometime I wanted to show you this thing. So when this grammar tool is getting utilized, and you, because by default what happens is, when you will be using this tool, there are certain options which are unchecked, and you would like to go through the effective checking of the entire document. What you people can do is, you can scroll it down over here, you can go to the options for formality, this options tab which is there in the end, and this is what this tool is tracing out for you. So you can see that there are n number of options that this tool is taking care of. It is taking care of everything. Even if I talk about the clarity, the passive, the jargons is what I was talking about, the casual word, and then the formality, inclusiveness of the speech, the punctuation as well, along with the vocabulary. If in case anything is unchecked, I would request you to go ahead and check that up, so that this tool will give you the multiple option there in front of you, and you can go ahead and you can make the necessary corrections as per your document. So now again it is highlighting this thing for me. Why? Because it's not in a formal language, it's a casual language or an informal language altogether. It has highlighted let's. I ideally it should be let us, so I should be going over here. I should be selecting let us, and then I can go ahead and then I can make the necessary editing in the document. So now since the entire document, my grammar and spellings, it has the checking is complete. So it is giving me a message there in front of me that the spelling and the grammar is checked is complete. So, my humble request, people, my humble request, friends, you can improve your grammar there in front of you at absolutely no cost. These tools are available free of cost, people. You can use it. Use the dictate option, I'm repeating once again, for recording your conversation. And then under the review tab, use the spellings and the grammar option for checking your grammar in your speech. Okay, and then you can go ahead and make the necessary, because once your grammar check is complete in the document, whatever you people have said, you can make your necessary editing. And then, as I have trained before, you will be seeing in the video, in this video as well, links for previous video in which I have trained you how to fix your fillers, pitch and voice. You can use that. So once your correct speech is ready, you can use that. You can go to the video which is being reflecting over here in order to check your pitch, fillers, and your rate of speech also. So people, these are the tools which are readily available in your system in Office 365 version, if I talk about, which you people can use it very effectively, very judiciously. So this was all it for today's session. Thank you very much, viewers. Thank you very much, people. Do not forget to subscribe. So kindly subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. On Instagram, you can reach me on cherub.teaching.center. If you would like to reach me on Facebook, it is Cherub Teaching Center. There is front of you. And if you have a Microsoft Team account, you can reach me on Cherubians. Okay. So thank you very much, people. Have a happy learning. Okay.